every day you get to meet your magic match.
I can't wait for the day I'll meet my magic match. But today is your special day. Aditi will be here any moment.
Aditi! Hello, Aditi. This is Catmo, your magic match.
Hi. It's great to meet you, Catmo.
I can tell you're perfect for each other.
My pet primer says you're a 100% match. Catmo's so excited her weather-changing powers are out of control.
And you're excited too, right? Aditi, aren't you happy to meet Catmo?
I am. Catmo is amazing. But meeting someone new makes me so nervous that my words come out all wrong or don't come out at all.
Don't worry. We'll find her and clear things up. Come on. Catmo's feeling bad, so she's turning the weather bad.
Her emotions are connected to the weather.
What a great day for a swim.
Catmo, please stop. We want to talk to you.
And you're getting us all wet. I like your style, buddy.
Thanks. Catmo, Aditi wants to tell you how she feels about you.
I'm nervous. I mean bad. I meant to say that I'm nervous so my words come out bad.
It's okay. We all get nervous sometimes.
Yeah, take me for example. I get nervous by speed, height, broccoli. No, I actually like water. Catmo, stop! You're turning petport into wetport. I mean, iceport. I mean, snowport. Oh, I give up. Me too.
What? No, we can't give up. Aditi, you and Catmo are a magic match.
It's no use. When I try to tell her how I feel, my words come out all wrong. If only I could show her instead.
That's it. We'll show Catmo how you feel about being her magic match. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Catmo, look!
I'm glad you're my magic match. Now I'm glad it stopped raining.
Oh, Jordy.
Oh, what's that? Ooh. It's a poster for Geraldo's new ice cream machine.
It turns snow into ice cream. Ice cream, yummy! And you cute little babies have never tried ice cream before. Come on, let's get some. To mountain! Oh, ice cream!
Me too. Let's go.
Roll up. Who wants some delicious ice cream?
We all do, please. How does this work?
Well, the machine takes the snow, makes it nice and clean, and turns it into delicious ice cream. Here you go.
Thank you, Geraldo. Enjoy your first ice cream. One ice cream a day is quite enough.
Hi, everyone. Geraldo, we're here for some ice cream.
No more ice cream. Baby, stop. Morphle, get them. Babies.
I got to make it stop.
now. No, it isn't. Look! We have to stop this dessert disaster. I know. Morphle, dig a deep trench to catch all the ice cream. Keep going, Morphle. Diggy dig dig. Diggy dig dig. Baby smile. The trench isn't deep enough. Yummy. How are we going to stop it?
Gobble Frog, can you help? I love you, Gobble Frog. You're the best magic match ever.
I bet you've had enough ice cream for one day. I think we all have. Babies want more. Morphle loves snow. Mother penguin too. Why don't we go to the animal sanctuary to see real penguins? Yeah, they must be loving the snow. Telepup, can you please get us there? Penguins are funny and so cute. Oh, double the penguins is double the cuteness. Mila, what's double of double? Double of double is trouble. We better get those penguins back before they turn Petport into Penguin Port. Never help! Let's go! I'll help you stop those sneezes, okay?
Shoo, shoo! Get off my beautiful statue!
Don't worry, Mr. Mayor. We'll help you. Come here, you.
Oh, thank you. You're safe now. Mwah.
No, Toddler, who did it? More penguins! It's okay, buddy. I've got your back. I mean, nose. We need something big and fast to collect all these penguins. Oh, Morphle now! Morphle, use your stretchy arms to catch them. Nice penguin picking. Doubler, do you think you can undouble all these penguins? Any more sneezing? Sure. Great, do your magic, buddy. There's no way we're getting them back now. Maybe there is. Penguin costumes. Mila, you know I love dressing up, but is now really the time? You'll see. We'll be back in a sec, Morphle. Okay, Mila. Take us home, Telepup. Oh. Mila and Johnny penguins! Morphle, morph into a giant penguin and lead these silly guys home. Morphle, let's morph! Squawk, squawk! Squawk, squawk, squawk! Wow, it's really working! You're a genius, Mila. Aw, thanks, Jordy. I couldn't do it without you and Morph. Squawk, 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 squawk! Squawk! Here, you can have all the fun you want without bothering anyone. I'm not sure Mr. Elephant agrees.
Hey, Mila and Morphle, ready for our picnic?
Yes, Daddy! Yay! Picnic!
We're off to the park. Take good care of the Magic Pet Center while we're gone.
Bye-bye, everyone. Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical.
They've gone! Now we can steal Catmo and use the Bandit Mobile to channel his freezing powers.
Not bad.
You! Gotcha! Now, Atmo's freezing powers can be zapped through this tube. Well, hello, madam. Is the hot weather bothering you?
Yes, terribly. How nice of you to ask.
Freeze her! Much better, right?
This looks like the perfect place for a picnic.
Whoa, whoa! Hey, how did this ice get here?
It's the bandits. They've got Atmo and are using his freezing powers to make ice.
Poor Atmo. Let's get him!
Oh no! They've frozen Morphle.
Morphle, morph into something big to break the ice. Well done, Morphle. Now we gotta catch those bandits before they freeze the whole city.
Freezing people? Not in my city. Freeze, bandits!
Okay, officer. Freeze.
Look out, Morphle!
Let's get him!
Phew! Thanks for melting the ice, Morphle. Now, morph into a monster ice truck. Great job, Morphle!
Oh, how about this? Oh.
My beautiful ice cream truck!
Let's make this an ice cream picnic.
Yay! Ice cream! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. I can't wait to go ice skating. Wow! Thanks, Catmo! Morphle love ice! Oopsie! Cool!
Huh? This looks like an ice rink for babies. With that magic pet, I could make the biggest ice rink in the world. Wanna try my slushie? Now, make me a huge ice rink. Oi! Careful, you'll get a brain freeze. Told ya. Whoa! Oh, yes! This is amazing! Haha, my ice rink is better than yours.
Poor Catmo. We have to warm her up before she turns pet court into ice court. Let's go.
Stop right there. Do as I say. I'm Officer Freeze.
Woo! This is amazing! Huh? No! Ah! Not cool!
Oh no. Thanks. Catmo, come get nice and warm in this. Morphle, morph into something speedy. Morphle, Morphle. Let's get her. There she is. Okay, Catmo. Can you help us turn things back to normal, please? Now, let's get you warm.
What? Stop it! I'm not a juice pop!
Yummy! Every day is a magical day with the magic pet. Oh, I love Christmas Eve. And it's our first Christmas as a family.
Christmas is going to be great because I'm going to take 4 magic pets.
Oh.
With my robot Santa!
Santa?
Merry Christmas, fellow human.
Santa!
That is correct. Would you like to see my sleigh?
Have some more decorations.
I actually like these colors.
Well, that was easy.
Hang on. That doesn't sound good. It's Winston and the Bandits!
Merry Christmas to me! Don't worry about us. Rescue the pets!
Quick, Morphle! We need to follow that sleigh! Where are they taking them? I think they're heading for the junkyard! Faster, Morphle! Morphle, run!
4 magic pets of my own at last!
Not so fast, Winston! Those are our magic pets!
We'll see about that. Robot Santa, activate Snowball mode!
Activating Snowball mode.
Watch out! What do we do, Mila? I know! Morphle! Morph into a snow spreader! Snowy snow
Robot Santa, activate Extreme Snowball mode!
Too snowy! You can do it, Morphle!
There's too much snow!
Malfunction. Malfunction. Malfunction.
Do something!
Oh, we can't. We're frozen.
Ah, Claude! Get off me!
Are you all okay? Let's get you home where you belong. Morphle, please turn into a reindeer to pull the sleigh. We did it!
Let's finish decorating the tree.
That tickles! You got me! Now I'll tag Jordy. Tag! Where's Catmo? There you are! Tag! Don't be sad, Catmo. You just need to find a better hiding place. Wow! Morphle, Catmo tagged you. Let's tag her. Where's Catmo? We'll never find Catmo in all the snow. Unless we move some of it out of the way. Look, it's Catmo! Morphle, can you become something a little speedier, please? There she is! Careful! It's slippery! Tag her! Tag her! This isn't supposed to fly! Nowhere to go, Catmo! Wow! Catmo's in the snow fortress! And we're going in after her! Wait! The door is not open! You just drove through a door! It was a snow door, Jordy. A door is still a door. Catmo! Get her! This is becoming impossible. There she is! Catmo, this game has gone out of control. Catmo, wait! Being caught is part of the game of tag. It's fun. Ready to play again? You said it, Morphle. I know. Let's have a snow day. Morphle big snowman. We can help with that. Right, Catmo? Nothing's better than a snow day. One thing is... What? A rainbow snow day. Wow. Scarlet and I are going snowboarding. Snowman! 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 You got it, Morphle.
I love the smell of fresh snow in the morning. Ho, ho, ho! Huh? Thanks, Animi. This is going to be fun. Boo!
Winston, what are you up to?
I'll show you. Get them!
Santa Snowman is snowballing us! Quick! Grab the snowballs! You can't throw these that far! No, but Morphle Catapult will. Oh, yeah!
You want to play with snowballs? Then play with these snowballs. Take cover!
Morphle save Mila! Morphle save Jordan! Morphle save Morphle! Mommy! Huh?
Oh no! Let's do some bowling.
Morphle, build a snow ramp! There we go! Run! Oops! We need to stop that snowball! Oh! Jump on it, Morphle!
Throw another snowball.
Animi!
Huh? Chilly.
Snow day, fun day! Ooh, pretty! Not yet, Morphle. See, here in Petport, everyone puts their presents under this one big tree. Then we open them all together.
Morphle, wait for everyone.
Orphle, what are you doing here?
Orphle want presents now. All for Orphle.
The presents! Hey!
What the?
Whee! More presents for Orphle.
Humbug!
We need to go fast! Morphle, morph into a snowmobile!
Stop! Go! Stop! Go!
Orphle! Stop!
Not in my city!
Where did he go?
No, that's Orphle.
Look out, Orphle!
Whee! Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh, pretty. Orphle meant to do that.
Come on, Orphle. Give back the presents now.
Orphle's presents.
Orphle, stop! What's more important to you? Presents or friends?
Presents, friends. Presents, friends. Presents, friends. Orphle's presents.
Morphle, morph into a sled and we'll catch those presents! Yay, we did it, Morphle! Here you go.
Oh,
Orphle, sorry. Wanted present too.
Surprise!
Present for Orphle? Orphle love it!
Bah! Humbug!
Mr. Vanderboos, Morphle and I have a present for you. I hope you like it.
Bah! Barky? Aww!
Merry Christmas!